welcome to my class. Here I am going to discuss Karnataka TET 2024, the science according to the new syllabus. The topic is solution. This is the chemistry syllabus. Let us discuss the class with few important MCQ questions. Here I am going to discuss Karnataka TET class with few important MCQ questions. Okay, let us start the class. I am checking the audio whether it is coming properly or not. Okay. Yes. First question. What type of change takes place when sugar is dissolved in water? When you dissolve sugar in water, what are the changes it will takes place? First option chemical, second option physical, third option chemical then physical, fourth option more than one of the above. Here, when you dissolve sugar in water, then you will observe only a physical changes it will takes place. When you dissolve sugar in water, only physical changes it will occur. Let us study what is meant by physical and chemical change. Physical change is a type of change where the physical property of matter it will change. Only the physical property of the matter it will change. We will consider as a physical change. A change of state of matter, change of state of matter means if the matter if it is in solid, sugar is a solid, then it will dissolved in water, it will be converted into a liquid form. Solid may be converted into liquid, liquid may be converted into gas, solid, liquid, gas. Normally all the matters they will exist in three format: solid, liquid, gas. Then here interconversion of status it will takes place only in the physical change. Hakila, Hakila, is my voice is clear? Is my voice is clear? Tell me. Then change in color, change in color, odor, solubility, etc. all are the physical change. Whatever the changes it will occur, the change in the matter, status of matter, then change in color, odor, solubility, everything it we will consider as a physical change. Thank you, Akila. Next, during a physical change, neither the composition nor the chemical nature of the matter it will change. Physical change, already I explained, only change in the state of matter, change in color, change in odor, change in solubility, everything it will change, but there is no change in the matter. There is no chemical change in the matter it will takes place. During this change, the molecules are rearrange themselves without affecting the internal composition. Only the in physical change, only the rearrangement of the molecules it will takes place. There is no change in the chemical nature of the molecule. A physical change does not affect the chemical property. Next, dissolution of sugar in water is a physical change because it does not result in the formation of a new substance. It is a reversible change. Here the new substance it will not form, only the sugar it will get dissolved in the water. This process is a reversible process, as sugar and water can be extracted back from the solution by the process of crystallization. With the help of crystallization, once again you can get back to the sugar particle, followed by evaporation. Crystallization followed by evaporation, you can get the sugar particles. Therefore this process, the dissolution of sugar in water, is a reversible process, and also this is an example of only a physical change. Chemical change is a change of matter into another. New materials with different proportions one or more than new substance it will form. What is meant by chemical change? Chemical change, the interaction between the molecules it will takes place, and the properties of the molecules it will takes place, and when chemical change happens you will get a new molecule. That important thing you have to remember. Let us move to the next question. We will discuss more MCQ questions only. Okay, I think everyone you are working, you are not able to attend the live class. I will, whenever I am free, I will take the live classes. Okay, when you are having the free time, please go through the classes. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. The solution of mercury with other metal is called as: first option saturated solution, second option unsaturated solution, third option amalgam, fourth one super saturated solution. The solution of mercury with other metal, it is an example of an amalgam. Remember, the solution of mercury with other metal, the solution of mercury with other metal. No, Akila, I will not remove any video from the YouTube because this is my own channel. You can see my channel is Sunita Teacher Training Academy. This is my own channel. Why I want to remove all the videos? No, I will not at all remove. Everything, all the videos it will be available in my channel. Whenever you have to revise, you can click, then you can see. Okay. The solution of mercury with other metal is called amalgam. What is mean by amalgam? An amalgam is an alloy of mercury with other metal. See, amalgam is nothing but it is an alloy. What is meant by alloy? Alloy is a combination of two or more metals, maybe combination of metal to metal, maybe combination of metal to non-metal, that we will consider as an alloy. The amalgam is an alloy of mercury with another metal. Here one of the metal, it should be mercury, another may be any metal. It may be a liquid, soft paste, or a solid. Amalgam, it will exist like a liquid, or it may be soft paste or a solid, depending upon the proportion of the mercury. How much mercury you are adding to a particular metal, based on the amount of mercury, amalgam it will exist as a liquid or soft paste and a solid. Okay, then these alloys are formed through metallic bonding with electrostatic attractive force of the conduction electrons working to bind all the positively charged metal ions together into a crystal lattice structure. Here, yeah, already I told, the amalgam it is a combination of an alloy of mercury with some other metal. Then that two metals they have to bond. How they will bond? They will bond with the help of through metallic bonding with electrostatic force of attraction. That one, that much remember. Amalgam are used to make dental fillings to bind to precious metals, so they can be isolated layer, and to produce mirror coatings. Where, what is the use, where we will use the amalgam? Amalgam we will use to dental filling. Normally those teeth it will get decay, to filling the that one they will use the amalgam to bind to precious metals, so they can be isolated later and to produce mirror coating. That is the use of the amalgam. At least listen, I don't know which point they may ask the question, that's why everything is important. At least revise and go. Next, what is mean by, let us study in detail what is mean by saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and also super saturated solution. Someone they don't know properly what is mean by this. That's why let us take a quick revise, because why I am explaining fast means we don't have that much of time to go slowly. Which are the point and which are the theory part is I felt is important for your exam. I am covering that much only, because only 25, consider as 25 days. In 25 days, how much possible I can complete in maths and science. That's why for me also, I don't have that much of time to do all the topics in detail, but we can take few points, otherwise few theory parts which are important and also easy, we can cover within a short period of time. Next one, what is mean by a saturated solution? A solution which cannot dissolve a further amount of solute at a particular temperature is called a saturated solution. For example, when you keep adding sugar into a water, a time will reach when no sugar will dissolve in the water. Sugar will be settled down at the bottom. You can observe this one in your home also. When you are preparing juice or something, normally juice we will prepare in the normal temperature, we will not boil the juice, okay. When you are gone adding the sugar, up to some point the sugar it will get dissolved. After adding two more spoon, you can see that amount of sugar it will be undissolved, it left undissolved in the juice. This is an example where that solution, particular quantity of solution, otherwise particular quantity of water, it is having that capacity, it have some capacity to dissolve sugar in its solution. When it reach the saturated solution, further amount of sugar it is not able to dissolve. Then that point where it will reach, that point we will consider as a saturated solution. Here we, without heating, when you heat, the extra amount of sugar also it will get dissolved, but here this saturated solution without heating, otherwise we will consider as at ordinary temperature. Then unsaturated solution. An unsaturated solution is a solution that contains less than maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved. Tea and sugar solution is a good example of an unsaturated solution due to the reason that they dissolve more amount of sugar in them. Here when you are preparing coffee or tea, normally we will provide heat. Then here, because of the increase in temperature, you can able to dissolve more amount of sugar in coffee or tea. This is an example of unsaturated solution. That's why I'm telling, why I mentioned here in the case of a saturated solution, we will consider at ordinary temperature. When it will come to unsaturated solution, you are providing an heat, and also here you can, when you provide the heat, you can able to dissolve more amount of solute in a particular solution. Once such solution reach the saturated point, they get converted into a saturated solution. Even unsaturated also you can convert it as a saturated solution when you cool that one, okay. That is the different case, but you have to remember what is mean by unsaturated solution. Next important one is super saturated solution. A super saturated solution contains more dissolved solute than required for preparing a saturated solution. Here super saturated means we will add more amount of solute in a particular solution. Can be prepared by heating a saturated solution, adding more solute, even then cooling it gently. We will provide the heat also here. If you want to dissolve more amount of solute in a particular solution, normally we have to provide more temperature. Excess dissolved solute crystallizes by seeding supersaturated solution with a few crystals of the solute, okay. Later you can cool that one. Then when you cooled, you will get a crystalline form of a solute, because you are adding more amount of solute. All the solutes it will get dissolved in a water. Then cool, you will get a crystalline form of a solute. These are the few important point um, regarding to this concept what we are studying here. Solution, what is meant by saturated, unsaturated, supersaturated, okay. Let us move to the next question. This one is important. Milk of magnesia is which type of a colloid? Milk of magnesia is a which type of a colloid? First option solid sol, second option sol, third option aerosol, fourth option emulsion. Milk of magnesia is a which type of colloid? It is a sol. Let us discuss in detail. Milk of magnesia is an example of solid in liquid type of a colloid. What is mean by a colloid? Best example is take 1 glass of water, powder the chalk piece, then put chalk piece powder in the water. You can observe the chalk piece, it will be in the solid state, that water it will be in the liquid state. When you mixed chalk piece with water, both also they will not even mingle, means the chalk piece powder it will be continuously moving in the water. It will not get dissolved in the water, simply it will be moving. That one we will call it as a colloid. Then here milk of magnesia is a suspension of milk of magnesia is a suspension of MgOH twice in water. Here this one it will be in the solid form, magnesium hydroxide in water. And also here whatever the chalk piece I given the example here MgOH2, that it will be, what will happen, it will be suspended, simply floating on the upper layer of water. They will not get dissolved in the water. That one you have to remember. Milk of magnesia is a sol. Sol is one of the type of a colloid. Don't get confused between colloid and sol. Both also almost same, which means that the dispersed phase is in the solid state and dispersed medium is in the liquid state. Here dispersed state it will be this one MgOH twice, dispersed medium it will be water. Okay, dispersed state it will be MgOH twice, dispersed medium it will be water. Let us come into the next one, aerosol. Aerosol is defined as a suspension system of solid, liquid particles in gas. Aerosol or sol. Okay, aerosol is defined as the suspension system of solid or liquid particles in gas. Here, dispersed medium is gas. Dispersed state is either solid or liquid. Solid or liquid state, it will be get dispersed in the gaseous form. Okay, that's why don't get confused between the aerosol is very important. Here the suspension state it may be a solid or liquid particle in a gas it will be the dispersed medium, remember. Next one, a solid sol is a colloidal solution in which both the dispersed medium and dispersed phase they will be in the solid state. Even the name itself is indicating solid sol. Solid sol means the dispersed phase, dispersed medium, both they will be in the solid format, solid state. Aerosol, the suspension may be the dispersed state may be solid or liquid, but dispersed medium it will be an. Next one, emulsion. Emulsion is a mixture of two or more liquid that are normally immiscible, or unmixable, or owing to liquid phase. A best example for emulsion is see consider water with oil. Mix both oil and water, you can observe both they will not at all mix. Okay, they will be they will not at all mix, they will be, you can observe the oil layer it will be always upper on the liquid layer. Wait a minute, 1 minute. Example for aerosol you are asking. Example for aerosol or smoke. Smoke is also best example because smoke, then fog, mist, these are the best example for aerosol. You can observe fog, mist, everything. The dispersed state may be solid or liquid, but dispersed medium it will be always gaseous format. Understood? Yes, let us move to the next one. Akila, you got? Okay. Aerosol, smoke, fog, mist. When I'm started teaching, normally only 1 or 2 times I will see the comment box because live chat, because if I want to see that one continuously, I am not able to focus what I am explaining. That's why I see your message late. Okay. Next one. Next question. Yes, in a solution of 50 gram of sugar is dissolved in 350 gram of water. What is the concentration of the solution in terms of mass by mass percentage? Here they are asking the problem, mass by mass percentage. Yes, everyone you know. Remember the formula. It will be easy for you. I included even theory part also, but it is easy. Mass percentage, it will be mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Here they are given solute mass, they are given 50 gram, solvent mass also they are given 350 gram. Then both if you mixed you will get a solution. 50 plus 350 you will get 400, that is the solution mass. Then what is the formula? Mass percentage, it will be mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. 50 by 400 into 100, 2020 get cancelled. 50 by 4, this one you cancel with the 2, and 25, 25 by 2 is nothing but 22, 20, sorry, 12.5%. The correct answer for this question is 12.5%. Very easy problem. Remember the formula, it will be easy for you. Mass percentage, it will be equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Let us move to the next problem. What is the mass of 1 mole of ethanol? What is the mass of 1 mole of ethanol? 1 mole of ethanol is nothing but C2H5OH. Ethanol is nothing but ethyl alcohol. Both the names are same. Don't get confused. 1 mole of ethanol, C2H5OH. 1 mole of ethanol, it will be equal to molecular mass of ethanol, C2H5OH. Then here carbon atom is 2, then hydrogen is 5 plus 1 is hydrogen is 6. Then oxygen, it will be 1. Why 10 here? Mass of 1 oxygen, not 10 here. Mass of 1 oxygen, this is 1, not 10. 1 oxygen, this one oxygen, don't get confused. Then 12 into 2 plus 1 into 6, then 16 into 1, add, you will get 46 gram. The correct answer, it will be 46 gram. This problem is very easy. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous means, what is meant by homogeneous mixture? That two mixture, they can mingle uniformly. Gas is one of the best example of a homogeneous mixture. In the gas we are having carbon dioxide, oxygen, then different types of gas we have, but all the gas they will be mixed uniformly. Then best here what they are given option, first one is a starch solution, second one is buttermilk in water, sewage water, sugar in water. This is an homogeneous mixture. Only here sugar in water we will consider as saturated solution. If you add more amount of sugar in water at ordinary temperature, means they will not at all get mixed. That is not an example of homogeneous mixture. But here they are not mentioned anything. Sugar in water we will consider up to a saturated level. The sugar, it will be completely dissolved in water, uniformly it will distributed. That one we will consider as a homogeneous mixture. Let us take a quick revise what is meant by homogeneous heterogeneous mixture. Sugar in water is a homogeneous mixture. What is meant by heterogeneous mixture? Has different proportion of its compound in a sample. Homogeneous mixture has same proportion of its compound in a sample. A mixture in which solute particle does not dissolve but get suspended in suspension. Suspension means best example is chalk powder in water. That chalk powder, it will be suspended on the upper layer of water. That is the best example for suspension. Chalk powder dissolved in water, it will not get dissolved, it will not at all get dissolved, but it will be float on the upper layer of the mixture. Heterogeneous mixture means the composition of the solute, it is not constant, it is not uniformly distributed. Okay, then a solution in which the substance are regularly suspended in a fluid or colloidal solution. Yes, colloidal. Next, a true solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances in which the substance dissolved in the solvent has a particle size less than 10 to the power of minus 9 meter or 1 nanometer. True solution means the particle size is very small. The particle size is less than 10 to the power of minus 9 meter or 1 nanometer. True solution is also a best example of homogeneous solution, but particle size is very less in true solution. Colloidal solution best example is take 1 or 2 spoon of curd, then mixed in water, stir. Even colloidal particle, that curd particle, they will be continuously roaming in the water medium. Even they will not get even dissolved, continuously they will be roaming. Okay, let us move to the next question. A mixture of cement, gravel, coarse, and water is called, first option mortar, concrete, second option slurry, moderator. Yes, concrete, a mixture of cement. You can observe in the construction, a mixture of cement, gravel, coarse, water is called together called as a concrete. Mortar is composed of sand and cement. When you mixed sand and cement, we will consider as a mortar, that name. Then slurry is a semi-liquid mixture made up of cement or coal, manure, and also water. Next question. What is the mass of 1 mole of water? What is the mass of 1 mole of water? 1 mole of water, molecular mass of water, mass of 2 hydrogen atom, mass of 1 oxygen, you will get 18 grams. Very easy problem. It will be 18 grams. Next question. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? Which one is we will consider as good conductor of electricity? First option tap water, second option sea water, both tap and sea water, fourth one is distilled water. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity is both tap water and sea water? This I observed this one in the home. See, consider distilled water or RO water, what we are using the water filter water. Normally in our home we will use the water filter. Okay, once I started taking the steam, normally we will take the steam when we get cold or cough or headache like that. Then instead of using tap water, I use the RO water. Then the RO water is nothing but that purified water, it is not at all conducting the electricity, you are not getting the fumes only there. What we will get the fumes in steamer, I am not able to get the steam only. Then I replace the water with tap water. Then tap water, it contains the minerals, it contains the ions. Then it will it, it will conduct electricity. Not distilled water, not RO water, they will not conduct electricity, because whatever the minerals ions are there, it will be completely removed in RO or distilled water. But here that's why the correct answer for this question is tap water and also sea water. Those who are, you can verify, if you are having the steamer in your home, instead of tap water use the RO water or distilled water, you will not at all get any steam. Okay. Next example is which, next question, which one of the following is not a homogeneous mixture? First option, water in oil. Second option, butter. Third one is distilled water. Fourth one, sugar in water. Which one is not a homogeneous? Yes, water in oil. It is not a homogeneous, it is a heterogeneous mixture. Thank you, Akila. Thanks for your valuable feedback. I will read your comment because of sh- uh, because of short period of time. I am not able to uh, interact with you because whatever the comments you will give in my videos, I will read all the comments. Normally, you will give the feedback for every videos. You are started giving the feedback. That is, I am feeling very good for your continuous feedback, but I am not able to get the time to reply you. That's why I'm telling thanks personally now, because you are live now. Okay, next one. Whatever I am effort I am doing, at least because of my videos, because of my class, if you cleared your TET, if you get good marks in the TET, that it will be, I will feel good because of my effort, because of my classes. Some teachers they are scoring good marks, some teachers they are getting the government job. I will feel very proud if you achieve anything in your life. Okay. Next, bronze in an alloy of, first option copper and zinc, second option copper and tin, third option zinc and magnesium, fourth one is iron and copper. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Remember, already explained what is meant by alloy is a mixture of metal made by combining two or more metallic elements, especially to give greater strength and resistance to corrosion. Why? What is the use of alloy? Normally alloy is a combination of two or more metal non-metal, like that. It will increase the strength of an metal and also it will prevent corrosion. Next, bronze is an alloy consisting primarily of copper and commonly with tin. Sn means tin. Bronze are typically ductile alloy. Bronze was the first alloy to be discovered. Next, copper and zinc are combined to make brass. This also they will give in the exam. What is the combination of brass? Brass is a combination of copper and zinc. Steel is made by mixing 90% of iron, 1% of carbon. Remember these two also. They may ask in the exam. Next, what is an alloy is an example of, first option colloidal solution, second option emulsion, third option solid solution, fourth one is heterogeneous mixture. Anol sorry Alloy is an example of solid solution. Yes, alloy is a combination of metal non-metal, like that. Then it is a combination of solid solution. Don't get solid solution means how ma'am, alloy it will become solution. Normally when they are preparing the alloy, what they will do, they will take two or metal, two non-metal, like that. They will heat the metal non-metal. Okay, once they will heat, they will melt and they will create an alloy, they will form an alloy. Later they will condense. After condensing, you will get in the solid format only, but not in the solution format, that it will be a solid. But we will consider as a solid solution. When you heat both the alloys, they will mix, it will form a solid solution, no, like molten state. It is neither solid nor liquid, but once you decrease the temperature, once you condensed, again you will get a solid. Next, I think this one I explained, heterogeneous mixture, colloidal solution, emulsion, everything I explained. Okay. Even heterogeneous also I explained. It is a mixture of non-uniform composition, the mixture of two or more phases, ice cubes in a drink, oil and water, salt and oil. These are the example of heterogeneous. Okay. Please give me your feedback and also tell me, so many you are 7 are there in the live section. Tell me you need only MCQ questions or you want explanation also. That's why, because of short period of time, maybe 25 days are there, 25 days left. That's why tell me in the comment box you need only MCQ question discussion. According to the topic wise or important one you need, otherwise according to the topic only MCQ means I will do MCQ only. Here I am doing the combination of MCQ, then I am explaining the theory part like that. Related to that question I am including the theory. Fully I am not able to explain like solution, full chapter is very big one, I am not able to explain within like short period of time. Here I consider few MCQ with their explanation. If you tell ma'am no need explanation, consider only MCQ with answer, because we have to revise, we don't want more explanation, we want only question then answer, question answer, that also it will very. Akila, I am taking now topic wise MCQ only. I am asking you whether you need like this continue, like related to question I am explaining continuously, no, you need explanation, otherwise only discussing question with answer like that. Oh, Devaki, you need even explanation also. Okay, okay. Okay, how much possible? At least half an hour class, few question answers with explanation I am coming. At least we will cover all the how much possible I am able to cover. I will cover it and I will give. And also please refer my Karnataka TET old 2023 Karnataka TET series, that videos also. And also even I cleared some topic. Don't see the heading, like if JPSTR heading I given some for some videos, then even HSTR. Don't see the heading. See the topic, whether the search with topic, whether that topic is related to your exam, because now they are asking, they are including even second PUC syllabus also. In my channel more than 160 videos are there. In that one, if you have the time, search the videos according to your topic. Don't see the heading JPSTR HSTR, because some topics they will be common, even JPSTR HSTR math science. Yes, if second PUC HSTR it will come, 8th 9th 10th JPSTR it will come, both the exam, even TET also, all the portions it will be same. That's why don't see the exam whatever the heading I given. According to the topic, read. I told no, I have 160 plus videos are there. Take TET new syllabus, then if the topic is there in my video, go through that video, because so many topics already I completed. That topics again I will not do, because I don't have, even you don't have that much of time. Whenever you are having the time, please go through my old videos also. According to the topic, search the video and listen. And whatever the topic I am not covered, I am doing at least daily one or two videos I am trying to do. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class. Please share my videos, please like, and also YouTube. I Yes, it will be very helpful for me, because whatever I am doing the work, it will be satisfied if I get the feedback like more views, then it will give more a positive approach to me. Yes, I can do more videos. Yes, I can give, I am at least I am giving proper instruction to the teachers, I am giving proper guiding, everything is very very important. That's why it will take only 1 or 2, maybe less than 1 minute it will take to type your feedback. That's why feedback is very very important for me. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class. If possible, afternoon I will take one more class with in science only. Either I will take solid state, or one more I prepared the optic wave. I will see which one is I prepared the PDF. I will see. Maths I am not getting the time to do. If possible, night I will take one more maths class. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. That's why subscribe to my channel. Once I start the live class, you will get the notification. Okay, don't waste the time. 25 days are there. How much possible, whatever your other priority is there, leave, keep that priority later. Your maximum focus, it will be your exam. That boy means, because they are telling primary high school teacher they will recruit after the election is over, counting is there. After the counting, they are telling definitely they will recruit primary and high school teacher. Those who are not cleared the tet, this is the right time to clear your tet exam. Once you clear tet, you are eligible for gpstr. Then don't lose your hope, you will get the job. Okay. Okay, bye, take